Hi everyone, this is Tabish Khan, your real estate broker. If you're thinking of buying, selling residential or commercial property, give me a call for free property evaluation and professional advice. Today I'm in Oakville and this neighborhood is Upper Joshua Creek, close to Dundas and major intersection, Ninth Line and Dundas Street. Highway 403, shopping, Mississauga, everything is close by. You can see this beautiful, brand new 42 front detached house, 6 bedrooms, 5.5 washrooms above ground, and the basement is also very high ceiling. Let's go inside. Let me give you a tour of this beautiful, brand new detached house, and I'll give you details after. Single door entry, but you can see it's a big door because that you have a frame on the side of the door. You can convert into wooden door. You will still have a frame on the top of this foyer. It's very bright. You see very nice tiles here. You see the window here, and here you see a nice coat closet, shelving hanging. By the way, this house is 10-foot ceiling. You see, that's why this house looks big as soon as you come inside. 10-foot ceiling makes a difference. So this area is a small den office, or you can make a sitting area with few chairs for four or five people can sit here. Big window making this area very bright. So then you come here, you see on the left side is powder room. This powder room is reasonable size, very conventional sink, commode, nice window here. Then here is stairs for basement, where we go later. On the right side, this is a mud room area. You can put some shelves here for hanging, for sitting when you come inside. Here's an inside garage door, we'll go there. This is the closet. Very nice, good size, shelving, hanging. This area is for when you come from inside door from the garage. Look at the garage. Proper two-door doors, big garage. You see the ceiling height. The advantage of high ceiling is you can make shelving there and you put a lot of stuff there. And they have already installed this garage opener, which is very basic now. Then from here, and here is a great room. You see the windows, 1, 2, 3, 4 windows, hardwood floor, good quality, gas fireplace with quartz on the border, ceiling height 10 foot, as I said. This room is quite big. You can put lots of things. Very big sitting area. And then look at this island. Quartz work, big island, extended island for a breakfast area. This breakfast area is big. You see very nice tiles here. You see windows all around, very bright. And look at this big patio door. Your backyard is not developed yet, because it's a brand new house. And then you see the cabinets, storage, lots of storage. Everywhere you see the cabinets, and they have the space for the ovens as well. Area for big fridge. You see even here, they have a storage. Lots of storage here. And this faucet they have for the pots, because this is the cooktop area. Very nice. Very nice, good quality, deep, big single sink. Very nice. The kitchen is big and very nice. Lots of upgrades, I would say. Now I'm going to show you best part of this house. Guest room, room on the main floor. Amazing. Lots and lots of people, they ask me, can we have one full bedroom on the main floor? Answer is, in Oakville, you can get this. It's a very reasonable, very good size room with a beautiful window. And not only room, here you come. Here is walk-in closet. Very good size walk-in closet, shelving, hanging. And here is ensuite. Single sink, but very nicely upgraded. You can see the quartz here, commode area, and proper standing shower with glass. So you have a full washroom here. It's not just a formality. Lots of people ask me if they can have a room on the main floor, or they can develop a room on the main floor because they have an elderly person in the house, or for some reason somebody can't go upstairs. You have a full washroom and walk-in closet with this big bedroom. Now let's go upstairs. Wooden staircase, and you can see the window. This window is making this staircase area very bright. As soon as you come upstairs, you see this room. Look at the size of this room and look at the windows. They have lots of windows. It's very bright. You see the carpet, but good quality. 9-foot ceiling. And here is closet. It's not a walk-in closet, but very reasonable size. Here is attached washroom. It's a single but upgraded countertop, good quality, proper standing shower with glass. Very nice. Then on the right side, you see room number 2. You see the long windows, 2 windows, making this room very bright. Very good size for king bed, queen bed. Very nice. And look at this walk-in closet with big window. Very bright walk-in closet as well. So here is another washroom, another attached washroom, big countertop. Here is proper standing shower. Amazing, with the glass door. And here is separate commode area with door. This countertop is big. In future, if you want, you can convert from single to double sink as well. Smartly, they give you space. Here is room number 3. Reasonable size. You can put queen bed here, although I would say you can put the king bed as well. This room has one small window. And here is small walk-in closet, reasonable size. You can put a lot of stuff here. Now, then you come here, you see this beautiful laundry room. They properly finished the laundry room. Very nice stainless steel sink. Here is some space, and they have a linen closet, quite a good size linen closet inside laundry room. And then here is room number 4. This room, I would say, you can put queen bed with the study table or workstation. Is reasonable size, but not for king. It's not a walk-in closet, but reasonable, not very big, not very small. And here again, attached washroom. Very fine finished countertop, proper standing shower. Every bathroom is very well finished with standing shower and with glass. Very nice tiles, beautiful. And then after that, now the big one. Here is master bedroom. You see the size of this master bedroom, very reasonable size. So here you come, big master bedroom. See the windows. One thing I like about this builder, Kevon, as I showed you in the past as well, houses in Oakville, they do not make a very big one master bedroom and then they compromise on other rooms. This is the fifth bedroom on this floor. This house is 3,418 square feet house above ground. This is the fifth bedroom. Every bedroom is very reasonable size, rather good size. Even this master bedroom is not very big, but at the same time, it's not a small. Now I show you the walk-in closet. It's a one walk-in closet, but look at the size. His and her in one. This area you see from here till here is her. Then is window, and his closet is here. Shelving and hanging is good enough. Now the big one. So we walk into the ensuite. Look at this. Double sink, very finely finished countertop, lots of drawers and storage under. And here is standing shower. It's big. Look at the tiles, and they have a bench here. This is an upgrade also. Nice shower, beautiful. And here you see a separate commode area with frosted glass, tub, big window. See the beautiful tiles. Very good size closet and ensuite. 6 bedrooms and 5.5 washroom in this house. 1 bedroom with full washroom, 1 powder room on main floor. 5 bedrooms upstairs with 4 washrooms, access to washroom from every room. Let's go to basement, which is not finished, but I want to show you the ceiling height and the opportunity. Let's go. Wooden staircase, builder, they developed this area plus this landing area of the basement. As soon as you come downstairs, you see on the right side this big room. You can make this room for gaming, for sitting. It's a nice place. And they have electric panel here. And here is cold room. It's a good space for storage, very important. And then here you go, main basement area. You see how big is this? Look at the ceiling height. This area looks like on the main floor. Minimum 9-foot ceiling, in my opinion. Yeah, and look at the windows. You can make even windows bigger. If you take permission from city, you can make stairs from the back. Lots and lots of people are doing right now. You can make this basement walk up basement. By making this walk up, making windows bigger, you will be close to walkout basement, because this basement ceiling height is very, very good. And 2 bedrooms basement with 2 washroom, maybe 1.5 washroom, definitely you can make here. And the best part is builder planned very well. They have already everything on one side. You notice this house, they planned well. And even duct, you see they have on the side. You don't see the duct in the middle. Even if you see the middle, look at their size. Their width is and their height is less. So they planned actually, I believe. Or if you want to, if you get the door from the back, you can push further this on the right side as well, although it's still perfectly fine. So this was the basement and the opportunity. Hope you liked the home tour. This beautiful detached house, 6 bedrooms, 5.5 washrooms. You can convert into a walk-up basement, close to walk-out, because the way the ceiling height is high, and you can make the windows bigger, have a door from the back. Great opportunity. Price is just over $2.2 million in such a fine area of Oakville. We can negotiate if you are interested. I have so many other projects like this in Oakville, Mississauga, Burlington, in Greater Toronto area. If you want to buy, resale, or pre-construction, I can help you. If you want to sell your property, I can list your property, make a tour like this, and present in front of right people to get you the top dollars. If you like this home tour, like, subscribe, and share, and leave your comments. I have very professional mortgage partners who can help you with your mortgage approval, or if you want to refinance your existing property for investment, they can help you. I can be reached at 416-475-7777. Talk to you soon.